So I had a hip joint problem.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's like a sport injury kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
And when I saw this particular video, and I realized that it could be beneficial for me. So now with these kriyas and the traction, it has been reduced down. So regular practice and the traction
Mm-hmm.
is the best part. So I'm just trying to maintain the everyday practice.
Sir, after joining our session, when did you get relief for the first time? After how many days?
7, 8 days के बाद there was a good relief. Now it is right now I can say it is a 70, 80% you can say.
Okay.
There was one time when I was started thinking कि ये मेरा regular life हो जाएगा ये pain वाला. So I
Uh,
was just searching for the some option where I can get the relief from it. Either the physiotherapy उसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ.
so have we sent any medicine to you?
No medicines. That is the best part.
So,
So
sir,
there's so many people in the program. How they monitor by team members?
I think उनको पता चलता है कि कौन नहीं कर रहा बराबर से and they'll just call and correct it. It's matching to after office hours, so that is the best part. I don't have to go
you
anywhere.
have
सर मुझे एक टाइम था अभी recently maybe before I joining 1 or 2 months back when I'm standing for long time now I was started getting some pain. But
oh.
now those pains are not there.
So that's really great. Thank you so much, Abhinavji, for your
Thank
valuable
you.
input.
Thank you, sir.